This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy tiramisu. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, 3 large eggs, 200 grams of ladyfingers, and strong espresso. Brew your coffee now and set it aside to cool completely. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process, setting the stage for a truly delightful dessert. Now, let's create the heart of our tiramisu, the creamy mascarpone filling. In a bowl, whisk 3 egg yolks with 100 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and thick. Then, gently fold in 500 grams of mascarpone cheese until it is perfectly smooth. In a separate bowl, whip 2 egg whites to stiff peaks and carefully incorporate them into the mascarpone mixture. This makes the cream wonderfully light and airy. With our cream ready, it is time for assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled espresso, ensuring they are soaked but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these dipped ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Next, spread about half of your delicious mascarpone cream evenly over this layer. Repeat the process, adding another layer of dipped ladyfingers, and then finish with the remaining mascarpone cream. This creates beautiful, distinct layers. The final steps are crucial for perfect tiramisu. Cover your assembled dessert tightly with plastic wrap, ensuring no air gets in. Refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to meld and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, slice and serve this delightful, homemade Italian treat to your friends and family. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.